Hello students, let's continue our discussion with respect to two-dimensional transformation. So now we are talking about the homogeneous coordinate representation system. So in case of homogeneous coordinate system for 2D model, we are taking 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, the 3 cross 3 matrix, in that the first two parameters represents x and y. The third one, the perpendicular first two are perpendicular, but third one we are taking as the parallel, that is z plane. We are keeping the value constant value 1 throughout. Please remember this, and this is the standard representation we are going for, where the same formulas what we have written earlier, that for translation, rotation and scaling, we are going to represent them in terms of matrices once again, but by taking into consideration of the homogeneous system. So in the homogeneous system, 3 parameters are required for us: x, y and the parallel one. We are considering that parallel as 1 here, its value remains the same throughout. That's what the thing is. So hope it is visible. Two-dimensional translation matrix. Let us see the translation matrix. So p dash is represented as x dash, y dash earlier. Now we are considering the third parameter as 1 as per the representation of homogeneous system. So which is equal to, now see here, this is the homogeneous representation of the translation matrix in multiplication with the original parameter, that is p. So that p value is x, y and the constant value 1. So in general we can write the formula as, sorry, say here we can write the formula in general as p dash, that is the updated value after translation, p dash which is equal to, what is the value, p dash equal to, it is the multiplication of two different matrices. One is T, where T represents the translation matrix in multiplication with the original value of xy coordinate P. So P dash equal to T into P, okay, where T is the translation matrix, P is the original value, that matrix represents the original value, that is x and y. So the 3 parameters we are taking, since we are speaking about the homogeneous coordinate system, that T which holds the value of Tx as well as Ty, isn't it, where x is the displacement value with respect to x-axis, that is Tx, and Ty is the displacement value with respect to y-axis, that is with respect for the matrix T. Okay, keep this in mind and go through the representation over here. Yeah, the same thing what I explained is written over here. P dash, which is obtained as T into P, the meaning of T, which contains two parameters Tx and Ty, which I am highlighting. See, so translation matrix is represented as follows. Here the translation matrix, how to write, the question comes, how to write the translation matrix. Translation, if the translation matrix is written, just concentrate over here with the thing which I am highlighting. Okay, coefficients, check the coefficient, refer to our previous discussion where we have computed it as x dash, that is equal to x plus tx with respect to this my previous video. Watch my previous video, things must be there in your notebook, isn't it? So x dash is obtained as x plus tx, y dash is obtained as y plus ty. Now come to the topic where we are speaking about, that is the homogeneous coordinate system. I am referring to that homogeneous coordinate system. Just concentrate here. Okay, hope it is visible. How to write the contents in the matrix, right? Contents in the matrix, that too translation matrix. So this contents, isn't it? Let me write the formula, that is x dash, concentrate, which is equal to x plus tx. So what is the coefficient value of x? Coefficient, the value associated with x is coefficient is 1, isn't it? The first parameter which we have marked here, put the, see this one what we have marked here, any coefficient is there with respect to y here for x dash, check the formula, x dash equal to x plus tx, no y term is available, so put the y term as 0, first row, observe the first row, concentrate. Then the third parameter, the third parameter of the first row, how to write this constant value. What is the constant value you are adding? You are adding the constant value tx, that is translation vector value with respect to x coordinate. Mention that as the third parameter. Similarly, the second row which represents the y coordinates, check here. First row is representing x, no? Write the parameter for x. Similarly, write the y parameter for y. So for y, what is the formula? Concentrate here, concentrate on the pointer, okay? Y dash is obtained as same formula, y plus ty, where y is the original value, ty is the displacement vector value for y-axis, isn't it? Y plus ty. Is there any x term? No, there is no x term. So first parameter should be always, first parameter represents x, second parameter represents y, third parameter represents the constant, this constant ty value. So second parameter y is available. What is the coefficient of y? Coefficient of y is 1, isn't it? Mention that 1. There is no x term, so coefficient of x should be 0 only. It is something like 0 into x plus 1 into y. That's why 0x, no, 0x is the coefficient is 0. There is no x term. 0 into x is 0 only, isn't it? 1 into y is y. So that's why you have mentioned y plus ty. Write the coefficient as 1. Then what is the constant you are adding? You are adding the constant ty, isn't it? Then third one, third parameter, that is first for x and y, you make it as 0 and 0 only. For the constant term, okay, constant term, that is the parallel plane, that is for actually for the z, you mark its value, coefficient value as 1. That's it. This thing you have to remember. Then we have one more thing, the other parameter, that is for p. So t into p, it isn't it, p dash equal to t into p. We have discussed how to write the contents of t. Now let us see how to write the contents of p. Writing contents of p is very easy. So x parameter, y parameter, as well as the constant value x, y, as well as 1. Very simple thing. So multiplication of two matrices, you can go through the multiplication, you will be check the value. So you have to get the same formula. You know how to do the matrix multiplication, isn't it? Multiply these two matrices, okay? Contents are available here, okay? If it is not properly visible, just go through the description, just go through the video description once again, and refer to your PDF, the second module PDF, what I have shared in the group, okay? It is some no need to get confusion. The value of t is 1, 0, tx, 0, 1, ty, second row, 0, 0, 1, third row, and value of p is x, y, and 1. Well, value of p dash is x, y, and x dash, y dash, and 1. Okay, you have to get the same formula. If you go for matrix multiplication, x dash value should be x plus tx, y dash value should be y plus ty. That's it. That's all about the homogeneous coordinate system for the translation. Similarly, we have to discuss about the rotation as well as scaling. Thank you for watching. Let's continue our discussion in the next video.